Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to this channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with a tutorial in Illustrator. We want to know how to write on a custom shape or a path. So the very first thing you need is a path. You can create a shape, you can create a line, or you can use a pen tool to create your path. First, I'm gonna use a pen tool to create a path, a random path. I don't know what I'm creating, so yeah, it's okay here. Now I'm going for fill. I need it with no fill. And maybe a little stroke to find out where's our path. And then I'm gonna create a line, for example. It's alright. And for the next one, I'm gonna create a shape, for example, I don't know, maybe something like a circle. Holding the shift. Okay, as well. And now let's create our text. We want to just give this path to a text, so it's very easy. Just by holding the type tool you can find type on the path tool. You can specify a point you want to start your text, click on it, and then write whatever you like. For example, I want to write this, and you can organize it by the size of your text or just a spacing. So let me change this, for example, I don't know, just like this. Okay, so it was the first one, and the second one is here we have a line. Again, with this path, I'm just clicking on it and write my text, and then just be careful that your line should be enough for your text, or you have to decrease the size of your text. Let's go for another one. We have a shape, so just hold your type tool and you can find, and again type on a path tool, and now just give it the first point you want to start your text, and then you can write whatever you like. So I want this with a little decreasing of a size. And if we need our path, what should we do? So here we have a circle path. Okay, I don't need any fill for this, and just a little stroke. Okay, I want it as my shape, and also here we need another path. So the first work is to just duplicate it and put it where you want. For example, I want it exactly at the same place of that, and now start writing on it. I'm gonna write my name. So here you see that we have the path and also we have the text, both of them. And now you can see that we have our shape, we have our path, and we have our text, and everything is alright. So the only thing you should do is copy your path. Again, it was so easy, and if you have any question, I'm waiting for your comments. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Just check the other videos in this channel to find more videos and tricks like this. Thank you for watching.